You ask Tiger to solve. This deals with linear equations with one unknown. The final result is x equals -15. Let's solve it step by step. Isolate the x. Multiply both sides by x+3. Expand the parentheses. Break up the fraction. Find the greatest common factor of the numerator and denominator. Factor out and cancel the greatest common factor. Group like terms. Convert the integer into a fraction. Combine the fractions. Combine the numerators. Multiply by 0. Group all constants on the right side of the equation. Subtract 5/4 from both sides. Combine the fractions. Combine the numerators. Reduce the 0 numerator. Simplify the arithmetic. Isolate the x. Multiply both sides by 12. Group like terms. Multiply the coefficients. Simplify the fraction. Multiply the fractions. Simplify the arithmetic. And so the final result is x equals -15.